Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. We are looking at how to drive a Chinese truck for beginners or first timers. This one is a B-Ben or Bay-Ben, whichever way you want to call it, 2534. So it's a 12 gear vehicle, 12 gears, 12 gear vehicle. So you have your high range and low range. So when starting your vehicle, make sure it's on low range. You start your vehicle, and then you have to be quick with your feet. It's not like your Volvo or Benz or Scania. So you go like gear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your button up. Again. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, and that's how you drive your B-Ben truck. 12 gears. In general, that's how you drive a Chinese truck, because they are all the same anyway.